So, guys, we are going to be doing an unboxing of our 1080p 180 Hz 27 inches called IPS display monitor. That's a lot of info, but we are going to ease into it a bit. Okay, so now we are doing the unboxing. You can see the stand, you can see the cable. That's for plugging it in. This is the HDMI cable. It comes with the HDMI cable. Okay, so now we're going to be taking out the monitor, and when we take out the monitor, you can see curved display. As you can see from the frames, it's curved instead of like the screen is like I don't have to explain. You guys understand? So it's curved display. Then um, you can see also there's no frame. It's frameless. That's edge to edge display. See, very slim and edgeless. And that's from the back. You can see the this thing for the mount comes with the mount too. So we are going to be showing you the input ports. As you can see, it has display cable input, it has HDMI cable input, it has the power cable inputs, it has USB inputs. So um, we are going to be plugging it in now, and then plugging it in. Okay, so we have plugged it in, and um, we are going to connect it to our PC bit, so we can test it out. Okay, so this comes in black and white. Actually, so the monitors we have black available. We have also have white available for your space. And okay, that's it now. It's powered on. And as you can see, HH display. It not display properties. Go to advanced display settings. And here we can select the refresh rate. And this is up to 180 Hz. So